Oh yeah, so warm. You gotta get a heat of that sunlight.
That's just starred light, you idiot. Oh yeah, I knew that.
From now on, Donald, it's just you, me, lying in this room in the nice heat of the light.
Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me. Chicken Little, what's up? Can you go and get can you go get a beer, or maybe two? I'm thirsty. Yeah, sure thing. Wait, why do I have to do it? Because it's cold out there, and you've got better, fur than me, because it keeps you warmer? Guess that does make sense. Alright, I guess I better... That's one door down, time to get the other one closed. Alright. What the... Close! Oh man, I closed it harder than I thought. Alright, let's see what I got in here. Oh yeah, talk about Coke, man. Well, it's not really Coke, but it's still beer. Alright, the beer's over there. Let's get this door open. What the... Oh, what the... Oh no. Oh no! I think I'm locked out! But how did I get locked out? Oh yeah, that's what happened. God damn it. Oh. God, it's cold. It's colder than I expected. Oh. Crap, there has to be some way I can sleep. It's so cold, must be so much I can sleep. Or what am I gonna sleep or eat or at least drink? Drink, yeah. Woody's house is unlocked. It's got instant drinks in there. It's even got beers. Oh yeah, jackpot. Oh yeah, haha. I think I was sleeping. Now I'm cold again. Even Woody's room feels like an iceberg. What's another good place to sit? Ah, jackpot. I'll sleep in this box. Yeah. I still feel it cold. Ah, the door is open. Forget it. Besides, it's a crappy place to sleep anyway. Back from party, was best party in the world. Best party, now best party. Nobody can mess with Woody the cowboy. Back from party. What's that noise coming from over there? Gonna do it again. Oh, hey there, little duck. What you doing out here? I told you before, I'm not a duck. I'm a chicken. The guy inside is Donald Duck. What you doing out here anyways? I locked myself out because I was going to go get a beer and now I'm stuck. Well, you can just sleep in my... Oh, no. My house door is open. Who is responsible for opening this house? No one opened it, you idiot. Then a robber must have robbed my house. Nothing seems to be different around here, but it sure is getting dark. Oh, I guess it's time to hit the sack. Oh yeah, my old bed. Well, at least Woody gets some sleep. Even he sleeps in his cold. Oh, so cold. Whew. Oh dear, I think I'm getting kind of hungry. Oh, what should I eat? Gotta be some food around here somewhere. No food? Unless you, Turbo, could make a fine meal. Come to Papa! You're going to be my meal. That tastes bad. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. What am I gonna do? Wow! Oh! I'm so cold. Oh, and I need to poo. I guess there really is no thing to do. Wait, but I do have one solution. I wait until someone comes outside. gmail.com. I'm so bored. I'm so tired and hungry. Oh. Would you mind? I'm trying to sleep here. Yeah, why don't you pick on someone on your own side? Choo-choo. How'd you like that? Oh man. Oh man, the door's locked. Hello? Anyone there? Hello? I think I got locked in. You locked the door. Hello? I guess my only choice is to sleep on this hammock. It's so dark. Oh. Hey, what's taking that damn chicken salad line? I want my beer. So cold. Huh? What's that noise? What? It's taking you so long to get there? Donald! Oh, Donald, I missed you so much. Get off me, you fat ass. Wait a minute. What? You were the one who sent me out here in the first place. Yeah, so? And now I'm gonna kick your ass! Because of that, you're gonna sleep out here with me. Ah, man. Is anyone still gonna get me out of here?